Hello, my name is Krzysztof Posluszny and I am a regional sales manager responsible for DACH market in GFI Solutions. And today I'm very excited to share with you a story about our collaboration with Luehr Filter company, which has grown from a small beginnings to a major accomplishments.
How did this partnership grow from just two people to something so impactful?
The milestone was the creation of comprehensive design manual. And this manual became an essential tool for training new employees on both sides. And within a year, we were working together on one of the largest air purification plants in Germany.
You mentioned a design manual. How has that helped collaboration?
The design manual was a game changer for us. It created a standardized way of working and helped us to train new team members. It also allowed us to maintain consistency even in the most complex projects.
What made the air purification plant project such a success?
It really came down to teamwork. By aligning our goals and communication, we approached the project challenges with focus and out-of-the-box thinking. Together we found an innovative way to generate documentation using Plant 3D software. The speed and precision we achieved together really shows us what's possible when two dedicated teams collaborate effectively.
How have you managed to keep this partnership strong despite global challenges?
It hasn't been easy, but flexibility is a key. From pandemic to the war in Europe, we've been facing many challenges together. What's kept us strong? It's our shared commitment and ability to adapt quickly.